This is Aditi. Welcome to Plast ERP, customized ERP for plastic industries. Today we are going to see purchase order, transaction, purchase, purchase order manual. In Plast ERP, there are 8 types of POs. PRPO. In this type of PO is based on purchase requisition. Plastic powder PO. This PO is specific for plastic powder and polymer granules. Open PO. This PO for vendors to whom PO is issued with the fixed rate but no limit on quantity. Capital PO. Capital PO. This PO is for capital goods and assets. Service PO. This PO is for service related vendor, for example, repairing, maintenance. Labor PO outgoing, for outgoing labor job. Direct PO. This PO is for all items without requisition. And import PO. This PO is for foreign currency and foreign vendor. Today we are going to see a direct PO. In direct PO, PO number is auto-generated by the system. Logic, example, POD UPS 2021-21. PO stand for purchase order or register short name of PO type. Factory short name, financial year and incremental number. PO date. Select the PO date. Amendment. In purchase order has to be changed for a quantity, item, etc. Then order needs to be edited. Item type. Item type of which PO supposed to be created. This value comes from item type master. Here we select raw material. Then export exempted order. For 0.1% GST on merchant import and export. Vendor. All sundry creditors are shown. Select the vendor from the drop down list. For import PO, only the party comes in drop down list whose foreign party checkbox is checked in party master. For service PO, only that party comes in drop down list whose service party checkbox is checked in party master. Then sales order. To link sales order number with a PO in case the PO is being made against a specific sales order. Freight. This has two values, to pay and paid. Then mode of transport. Here we select the mode of transport. Delivery terms. Select the delivery terms from the drop down list. This value comes from delivery term master. Delivery address. Select the where material should deliver. Supplier email ID. Email ID of supplier. Separate the email ID by the semicolon. Tab item details. Item name. Item name. Enter 3 characters of item. Autocomplete drop down of items will come. Select the item for which PO is to be raised. Then description. Optional description of item. It comes from item master. Item code. automatically display here item code. Quantity, purchase order quantity of items. Rate, rate at which we are purchasing the item. LPR, display last 3 purchase rate of the item. Discount, discount in percentage, enter discount on purchasing particular item. Value, logic, rate into quantity less discount gives the total actual amount of purchasing. Then stock, available stock of item. HSN, HSN code of item value comes from the item master. PO schedule details. If there are multiple items, then click on select button and enter schedule details. Item lower grid is for entering delivery schedule. Balance quantity. Tax tab. In tax tab, factory state displays state where the factory is located. Party state displays the party state. Charge template. If there are some other charge which user want to select, then select the charge from the drop down list and click on calculate charge button. Payment terms. Depending upon payment terms, total amount is divided. Select the per payment terms from drop down list. The value comes from payment terms master. If you want to attach any other documents, you can select these documents and add the other documents. And now click on save button. The PO is saved.